English conversation. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Emily. My name is Emily.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from London. I'm from London.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Bristol. I live in Bristol.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 28 years old. I'm 28 years old.
Where were you born? Where were you born?
I was born in Paris. I was born in Paris.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a software engineer. I'm a software engineer.
Where did you work? Where did you work?
I work at Microsoft. I work at Microsoft.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink. My favorite color is pink.
What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic. My favorite movie is Titanic.
Do you have any pet? Do you have any pet?
Yes. I have a cat named Lucky. Yes. I have a cat named Lucky.
Does your cat bite? Does your cat bite?
No. It never bites anyone. No. It never bites anyone.
Are you married? Are you married?
Yes. I'm married. Yes. I'm married.
How many children do you have? How many children do you have?
I have 2 children. I have 2 children.
Where are they? Where are they?
They went to school. They went to school.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes. I have one brother. Yes. I have one brother.
Where is your brother? Where is your brother?
He is living in Texas. He is living in Texas.
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books. My hobby is reading books.
Why did you choose reading? Why did you choose reading?
Reading has helped me a lot to gather my knowledge. Reading has helped me a lot to gather my knowledge.
How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages. English and Spanish. I speak 2 languages. English and Spanish.
What time do you have lunch? What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
Where is your husband? Where is your husband?
He is in the living room. He is in the living room.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
He is watching a movie. He is watching a movie.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the house. I'm cleaning the house.
What do you do after dinner? What do you do after dinner?
I will go to sleep. I will go to sleep.
What time did you go to bed? What time did you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m. I go to bed at 9 p.m.
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I went to the supermarket. I went to the supermarket.
What did you buy? What did you buy?
I bought some groceries. I bought some groceries.
Where do you buy fruits and vegetables from? Where do you buy fruits and vegetables from?
I bought from my cousin's shop. I bought from my cousin's shop.
Why didn't you call me last week? Why didn't you call me last week?
I lost my mobile. I lost my mobile.
Have you found your mobile? Have you found your mobile?
Yes. I kept in my car. Yes. I kept in my car.
Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly?
Yes. I go to the gym 6 times a week. Yes. I go to the gym 6 times a week.
Have you been to Japan? Have you been to Japan?
Yes. I have been to Japan 5 times. Yes. I have been to Japan 5 times.
What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow?
I am going to the hospital. I am going to the hospital.
Why are you going to the hospital? Why are you going to the hospital?
I have low blood pressure. I have low blood pressure.
Shall I accompany you to the hospital? Shall I accompany you to the hospital?
Okay. You can come to the hospital. Okay. You can come to the hospital.
To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.